Okay, so right now, UPS person should be showing up anytime in the next 4 hours, I think. So hopefully he arrives soon. Just waiting and waiting. Still waiting for the phone. So this is my package, the phone package. And whenever you order a phone from T-Mobile, this is what it looks like, and this is what it comes in. They sent this package that was hard to open with one hand, but when you open up the box, there is that thing, and then you have your phone. This is the iPhone 14 Pro, and yep, this is the box. So still nice and thin, no charging brick, same stuff that we already know, but that's the box, just in case you want to know what it looks like. Alright, so let's get to opening this thing up. So when you flip it over, you have these two little pull tabs that are right here. And if you pull this thing, boom, boom. After that, open up the box. Okay, so back to the phone. So you have this thing, you take it out, and look at the sides of it, so clean. Take this thing off. Voila. So some people aren't a fan of those shiny sides, but I think it looks pretty cool. And yeah, it might lead to fingerprints, but who cares? I like it because it makes it, I know it's already an Apple phone, so it's going to look fancy either way, but it just makes it look even more fancy. Okay, so going back to the box, this is what's included. Charging cable, tiny book with tiny stuff in it, 3 tiny things, and that is it. Yep, nothing else. Alright, so time to power it on. So when you hold the power button, this is what happens. Boom. So let's see, how soon do you see the dynamic island? Oh, I see it already. Crazy, crazy. Alright, so let's swipe up. First screen you're going to see is this one. And I'm just going to go through the whole setup in case someone hasn't set up an iPhone before somehow and they just want to see what it looks like. It's going to go through all of this stuff. There he goes again. So clean, so shiny. Love the matte back. Boom. And once you get to this part, you know you're close to being done. Make this your iPhone, yes. And that is it. We made it to the end. So now you just swipe up and you are home. So I'll make another video just showing off some more stuff about it, the cameras and all this other fun stuff. But for now, that's the video. Let me know if you have any requests or you want me to do anything with the phone. And see ya.